Get rich while doing less. Sounds fake, right? But what if the real secret isn't working harder? It's letting AI do the heavy lifting while you stay strategically lazy. Most people think becoming rich means grinding 24/7, sacrificing sleep, and burning out before they ever see results. But the game has changed. Artificial intelligence has quietly flipped the rules, and now the smartest path to wealth isn't about effort, it's about leverage. Being lazy in this context doesn't mean doing nothing. It means refusing to waste energy on tasks that machines can handle better, faster, and cheaper than you ever could. Imagine you are running a business where you don't write content, don't design graphics, don't respond to emails, and barely even manage operations, yet money flows in consistently. That's not a fantasy anymore. With AI tools, one person can now do the work of an entire team. For example, instead of spending hours writing blog posts, you can generate high quality content in minutes. Instead of hiring a designer, you can create logos, ads, and thumbnails instantly. The lazy strategy is really about removing friction. Every task you avoid manually is time you can reinvest into scaling, thinking, and making better decisions. Think of it like this: rich people don't get rich by working more hours, they get rich by owning systems that work without them. AI is the fastest way to build those systems today, even if you are starting with zero experience. Let's break the illusion. The traditional path says learn a skill, get good at it, trade time for money, slowly climb up. But AI lets you skip steps. You don't need to master graphics design to sell designs. You don't need to become a writer to publish articles. You don't need to code to build apps. This is where the laziest method becomes powerful because you are focusing only on outcomes, not the process. For example, imagine you want to start a YouTube channel. Normally, you would script, record, edit, design thumbnails, and upload consistently. That's exhausting. But now AI can write your script, generate voiceovers, edit videos, and even suggest title optimized for clicks. Your jobs becomes simply guiding the process. You are no longer the worker, you are the director. This shift is everything. When you stop being the one doing the labor and start being the one orchestrating systems, your earning potential multiplies. The less you tie your income to your personal effort, the more scalable your results become. That's the real meaning of lazy wealthy, detaching your time from your income. Now, let's talk about one of the simplest lazy money models with AI: content automation. Content is currency on the internet. Every platform, YouTube, blogs, TikTok, Instagram, rewards attention, and attention turns into money through ads, sponsorships, and products. The old way required creativity and consistency. The new way requires a system. For example, you can create a faceless YouTube channel where AI writes scripts about trending topics, generate voiceovers, and compiles stock footages into engaging videos. Channels like these are already making thousands per month without ever showing a face or recording a single word manually. Or take blogging. You can create a niche website, say about fitness, finance, or tech. Ad publish dozens of AI generated articles optimized for search engines. Once those articles rank, they bring in traffic passively, and that traffic can be monetized through ads or affiliate links. The key here is volume and consistency, both of which AI makes effortlessly. Instead of writing one article per week, you can publish 10 per day. That's the lazy advantage, doing more by doing less. Another powerful lazy strategy is digital product creation. Instead of selling your time, you sell something once and let it generate income repeatedly. AI makes this ridiculously easy. For instance, you can create an ebook in a few hours by using AI outline, write, and edit the content. Then you sell it online forever. Or you can design online courses without being an expert by compiling information, structuring it, and using AI generated visuals and scripts. Let's say you notice people are interested in budgeting for beginners. You can create a simple guide and worksheets generated by AI and package it as a product. Once it listed, your only job is driving traffic. Even better, you can automate marketing too. AI can write emails, create ads, and even respond to customers' queries. So you build once and it sells again and again without your involvement. That is the ultimate lazy loop: create, automate, repeat. If you want something even more hands off, consider AI powered service flipping. This is where you sell a service to clients but use AI to deliver the work. For example, businesses always need social media content, blog, post, and marketing copy. You can offer these services at a premium price, then use AI to produce the actual deliverables quickly. Let's say a client pays you $500 for a set of blog posts. You generate them using AI in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Your profit margin becomes massive because your effort is minimal. This model works because clients care about results, not how the work is done. They don't need to know your used AI, they just want quality output. Over time, you can stack multiple clients and create a steady income stream without increasing your workload significantly. That's the beauty of leverage. You earn more without working more. Now, here is where most people fail. They overcomplicate everything. They think they need the perfect idea, the perfect niche, or the perfect strategy before starting. But the lazy approach is the opposite. You start messy and improve as you go. AI allows you to test ideas quickly without investing too much time or money. For example, you can launch multiple content channels in different niches and see which one gains traction. Or you can create several digital products and observe which one sells best. Instead of spending months planning, you spend days executing. The faster you test, the faster you learn. And because AI reduces the cost of failure, you can afford to experiment more. This is a huge advantage. Rich people don't succeed because they are always right, they succeed because they try more things. AI just makes that process faster and easier. Let's talk about automation, the true backbone of lazy wealth. Making money once is good, but making money automatically is the goal. With AI, you can connect different tools and create systems that run on autopilot. For example, when someone signs up for your email list, they can automatically receive a sequence of emails promoting your product. Those emails can be written by AI and optimized for conversation. Or when someone buys your product, they instantly get access without you doing anything. You can even automate social media posting, customer support, and analytics tracking. The idea is to remove yourself from the day to day operations as much as possible. The more your system runs without you, the more freedom you gain. That's when money becomes truly passive. Of course, being lazy doesn't mean being careless. You still need to think strategically. The effort shifts from doing tasks to making decisions. For example, choosing the right niche matters. If you pick a topic with no demand, even the best AI tools won't help. But if you choose a high demand niche like health, money, or relationships, you are already positioning yourself for success. Similarly, understanding your audience is very crucial. AI can generate content, but you need to guide it in the right direction. Think of yourself as the brain behind the operation. You are not writing every word or designing every element. You are deciding what should be created and why. That's a much higher level of work, and it's where real wealth is built. Let's look at a simple real world example. Imagine someone starting a faceless YouTube channel about luxury lifestyle. They also use AI to write scripts about expensive homes, cars, and celebrity lifestyles. Then they generate voiceovers and compile visuals from stock footage. Within a few months, the channel grows and starts earning ad revenue. At the same time, they create a blog with similar content, driving traffic from search engines. They also sell a digital guide on how to build a luxury mindset. All of this is powered by AI, and the most of the work is automated. This person isn't working 12 hours a day. They are managing systems, analyzing performances, and making adjustments. That's the lazy path to wealth building machines that make money for you. Finally, understand this: AI is just a tool, it's not magic. The real advantage comes from how you use it. If you treat it like a shortcut to avoid thinking, you will fail. But if you treat it like a multiplier for your ideas, you will win. The laziest way to become rich with AI is not about doing nothing. It's about doing only what matters and letting everything else run on autopilot. Focus on leverage, building systems, test quickly, and automate relentlessly. The people who understand this early will have an unfair advantage in the coming years. So the question isn't whether AI can make you rich, it's whether you are willing to stop doing unnecessary work and start building smarter system that do it for you.